Hello, everyone, and welcome to this webinar. My name is Byron Almendares, and it is a pleasure for me to be here with you for this webinar. So let's begin. Let's talk a little bit about the Wi-Tek product line introduction. So Wi-Tek delivers fast, secure, and easy to manage networking solutions for businesses and industries worldwide. And since 2009, Wi-Tek has grown into a global networking solutions provider with a strong research and development capabilities, in-house manufacturing, and customers in over 50 countries, and that's very good. So, regarding the global reach and strength, we can say this that Witec is serving renowned customers in over 50 countries. It has more than 80 professional in research and development engineers, and this is a very good and reliable brand. And here we can see the Witec's full cloud managed product portfolio from smart and industrial switches to wireless access points, long-range transmitters, secure gateways, and 4G and 5G routers. And we also offered solar-powered PoE switches and IoT devices, all easily managed through with the cloud. So the product portfolio Wi-Tek is very extent. Sorry. Um, Something that is very interesting about Wi-Tek is this. Wi-Tek Cloud is a centralized management platform that lets you monitor networks in real time, configure devices remotely, and view live topology. Um, it also provides optimization tools, alerts, notifications, flexible permissions, and detailed analytics, all from one easy-to-use cloud system. And that's very cool. As we can see here, with the Wi-Tek Cloud app, you can monitor networks in real time, view topology, view live topology in real time, and manage devices remotely from your smartphone. And that's very cool because you don't need a computer to monitor your devices. Just with your app, using your smartphone, you can do that very easily. And it also includes optimization tools, upgrades, project sharing, project sharing, and advanced network management features. And this is very cool, the eWeb solution for CCTV networks. And with the eWeb, you can securely access and monitor your IP cameras anytime, anywhere through the cloud. It supports automatic OMBIF, OMBIF, and SIP SIP detection, making camera and discovery fast and simple. And there's no need for complex port forwarding or BPMs, complicated BPMs. And just connect through the Wi-Tek cloud for instance remote access, and that's very nice. And here we can see the eWeb in action. With one click, Wi-Tek Cloud generates a secure link that provides remote access to your IP cameras through the cloud. Devices are automatically detected and displayed in a topology for easy monitoring. And that's very nice, very interesting. And we also have this cloud switch, um, layer 3 managed switch. And the Wi-Tek Cloud L3 managed switches combine the powerful layer 3 routing with simple cloud management, high speed, uplinks, PoE power, and scalable performance, all managed from one platform. And that's very interesting, very nice. On this slide, we can see several Wi-Tek Cloud managed layer 3 switches. models available for different network sizes and requirements. And we offer options ranging from 24 port to 48 port PoE plus switches and to high capacity fiber models, also with multiple 10 gigabit SFP plus uplinks. All of these models feature high switching capacity for cloud management through the Wi-Tek cloud and including eWeb and ARM-based support. And this makes them ideal for enterprise and also large-scale network deployment. And we also offer Wi-Tek's Cloud Managed Layer 2 Plus switches, which provide centralized cloud control, static routing, redundancy features, DHCP services. They are ideal for offices, wireless, and CCTV network environments. Here you can see the Wi-Tek's Cloud Managed Layer 2 Plus switch portfolio. This is the Layer 2, including PoE and fiber uplink models. They they all offer solid performance and full cloud control for offices, wireless, and CCTV networks also. PoE models support the AF and AT standards with power budget ranging from 140 watts up to 370 watts to support access points and IP cameras. All models deliver strong performance and high switching capacity and full cloud management through the Wi-Tek cloud and eWeb, and this flexibility makes them a great fit for offices, networks, wireless infrastructures, and CCTV installation. Here you can see a CCTV network built with the Wi-Tek's cloud managed PoE switches, as we can see in these images. They provide centralized cloud control, PoE power for cameras, link aggregation for reliability, and easy remote management. And we have also this very interesting smart PoE switches. Here you can see the Wi-Tek's 100 megabits per second cloud is smart PoE switches, ideal for small CCTV deployment, and they support up to 250 meters transmission. Cloud management also, detection, and built-in reliability features like PoE watchdog and loop prevention. They are very complete for CCTV installations. And we offer models with 4, 8, and 16 and 40 and 24 PoE ports, including options with a combo SFP uplinks for flexible network expansions. And the switches support extended transmissions mode for larger cable runs, along with VLAN segmentation and automatic device recovery. That's very nice. And here you can see how easy it is to create projects in the Wi-Tek Cloud app and add devices using serial numbers or just scanning them. A universal project allows you multiple devices to be managed in one network with automatic detection. So you just need to follow the steps and click next, and that's it. Very simple. That's very simple. And with the cloud device, onboarding and maintenance are very simple. And you just had to add devices in seconds and they done remotely from one platform. And that's very cool. And this is very interesting that with the cloud allows user to share projects also with custom permissions and expiration dates. or hand over for control to another account when needed. And that's very cool. And with the cloud allows users to generate and share a detailed project report with just a few clicks. So we just need to generate an aerobatic report. You just had to click on project report on in toolkit. You will find the section the project report, and you will generate with just a few clicks a complete report of your network. And this slide introduces the Wi-Tek's 250 meters long range PoE switches designed for extended distance CCTV deployment, such as warehouses or large facilities. This switches allows PoE and data transmission up to 250 meters over the standards, Ethernet cables standards, eliminating the need for additional repeaters or fiber in many scenarios. So they include the smart features like port isolation for improved security, that's very important, and dual uplink port for higher reliability, and a built-in PoE watchdog for automatic devices recovery. And that's very cool. You don't have to worry about restoring your devices because the PoE watchdog will do it for you automatically. And the switches provide a reliable and a very cost-effective solution for long-distance camera installations. So that's very nice. And we also offer the 2.5 gigabit Ethernet switches, including PoE modules to power on the Wi-Fi 6 access point, as well as 2.5 gigabit PoE injectors for more flexible deployment, as we can see here. So if you need a higher capacity, once using the Ethernet port, we have this model. And this is very interesting. The cloud outdoor waterproof PoE switch. No need to buy an extra metal box all in one. So with the outdoor cloud managed PoE switch is an all-in-one waterproof solution with cloud control, a long-range PoE up to 250 meters and high-power output. It's built for harsh environment with IP65 protection and source door resistance. That's very nice. So you don't need to buy any extra metal box. It is all in one. And that's very cost effective, very affordable, very nice. This is very good, very cool. The Wi-Tek's outdoor PoE switches offer long-range transmissions, remote PoE restart, automatic ambient detection, and real-time alarm notifications, ideal for CCTV networks. And this is a very unique value for CCTV installations. Yeah, you can redefine your CCTV cloud solutions with a very greater simplicity, security, and scalability. And with its all-in-one waterproof design combines the enclosure, source protections, power supply, and PoE switch into one simple outdoor solution. And this will save you time and cost. As we can see here, you don't need to buy a metal box. Just with this, it is all in one. A simple print box, storage protector, AC to DC adapter, and PoE switch all in one. And with the long-range wireless transmitters, this is very nice. As remote CCTV connectivity becomes simple, reliable, and cost-effective. They are rugged, easy to deploy, cloud managed, and support fast pairing. And that's very cool. We have wireless long range transmitters for 1 to 5 kilometers. And they support point to point and point to multi-point connections. They are pre-configured, so you don't have to worry about that. They are just plug and play. And here you can see how Wi-Tek's wireless transmitter connect multiple CCTV locations back to a central control room, as we can see here in this image, and without launch cable or fiber. So you can do that very easily using this wireless long-range transmitter for CCTV. And with this app, with the Wi-Tek's smart CPE tools, the installers can design wireless links faster, avoid the guesswork, and deploy stable long-range CCTV networks in a matter of seconds, just a couple of minutes. And it is very easy to do. You just had to go to the Wi-Tek's app and follow the steps. Just click next, 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 and that's it. It is very easy to do. As we can see, just click on next and you will be guided by this very, very interesting, very easy to do app with the cap. And we also have this, the solar powered PoE switch. With the Wi-Tek solar power PoE switches, customer can deploy complete CCTV and wireless networks in remote areas. And these PoE switches integrate an MPPT controller, as we can see here, this built-in MPPT controller, and they support multiple PoE standards and enables reliable off-grid CCTV and wireless deployment with cloud monitoring. And that's very nice. And this is very interesting. The SD-LAN network. So with the SD-LAN over 4G LTE, Wi-Tek delivers centralized intelligent network management with secure traffic control, automatic failover, and optimized bandwidth usage. And this allows reliable, scalable solar CCTV deployments anywhere. So even in remote or hard to reach locations with no wired infrastructure, that's you can use this, and it is very easy to configure. Just a couple of steps, next, 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 and that's it. And you will be ensuring stable connectivity, remote monitoring, and simplified maintenance. And let's see what is the IoT box solution product lines that we have. And with this, it has an IP65 enclosure and smart thermal designed. And with the Wi-Tek IoT box, this will ensure a stable, secure operation of the working equipment in any outdoor environment. It has IP65 ingress protections, heat dissipation designs, sensing alerting. It has a built-in microswitch accessory for flexible applications, and it has also the waterproof connector. So this is very cool. If you need something for outdoor installation, these smart IoT box are very ideal, very cost effective. Um, this These are real outdoor deployments of the smart IoT box, integration cameras, wireless link, solar powered, and networking equipment in a single protected enclosure, as we can see here. So this is very nice. And let's see the industrial PoE switch line. Here we have the Wi-Tek cloud managed industrial layer 2 switches designed for harsh environment. So they support ERPS ring protection for high reliability, high power PoE up to 90 watts, redundant power input, and wide temperature operations, perfect for industrial network surveillance and smart infrastructure. So if you're looking for a very harsh or very rugged industrial switch, this is your solution. Um, Here we have the wireless mesh router and access point. Um, with this Wi-Tek's wireless mesh router and access point solution, you can create a seamless mesh network managed for the cloud with fast roaming, PoE support, SD-LAN technology, and secure VPN connectivity. Perfect for homes, offices, and CCTV deployment that need stable full coverage wireless. And this is very nice. And one key feature is the PoE out. So it can power connected devices like cameras or access point using this, a single Ethernet cable, as we can see here. You can connect a camera to the access point and power on the cameras without any PoE ejector, extra PoE ejector. So this is very nice. The PoE delivers power and data through a single Ethernet cable. And you can feed the router using whether a PoE injector or the PoE switch, making this solution simple and clean. And all mesh routers and access points are fully cloud managed, and that's very nice. And from the app or the web platform, you can monitor the network, configure devices remotely, and manage everything in real time. And the Cloud Secure Gateway supports multiple WAN connections for load balancing and failover, multiple BPM types for secure remote access, and a captive portal for user authentication, all managed from the cloud. So we have several models, gateway, Cloud Secure Gateway like this, with all of these features. And we also have the CPE router, the 4G CPE routers. It provides LTE connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, PoE output for cameras, cloud management, VPN, and automatic 4G Ethernet failover. And that's very nice. So if you're looking for a very cost-effective, a very affordable solution, we have this with the Wi-Tek. It also has a PoE out port for power arm cameras. So that's very nice. And with the Wi-Tek's SD-LAN, you can securely connect multiple CCTV sites to a central monitored system, even over 4G LTE without requiring a public IP or traditional VPNs. So the SD-LAN is a very auctioned comparing or than any complicated VPNs. It's very cool. It it will replace the VPN's connections, indeed. The SD-LAN replaces this very complicated VPNs that requires a public IP, and SD-LAN doesn't require any public IP. So this is very nice, and you can connect all sites securely and manage from the cloud. So SD-LAN simplifies secure site-to-site connectivity from headquarters. So that's very nice. And all of that is for free using the cloud management, the Wi-Tek cloud management. And let's see the accessories, this PoE media converter. With this PoE media converter, you can extend network connections up to 25 kilometers over fiber while delivering data and power to remote devices. And this is very nice. So if you're looking for a MIDI converter, we have a very affordable models with the Wi-Tek. And we also have this, and this is the PoE extender solutions that you can use to extend power and data up to 650 meters. That's very good. And supporting multiple devices and series for long distance network deployment. So if you're looking for a PoE extender, outdoor PoE extender, this is the solution. So you can extend the connectivity up to 650 meters. Uh, this is very cool. And that's it, my dear attendees. So we have reached the end of this webinar. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write down in the question panel or using the chat. So we have a very affordable models using a Wi-Tek solution or Wi-Tek solution, very cost-effective networking models. So my dear attendees, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write down in the chat, just in the chat. Um, Thank you very much for joining this webinar or attending this webinar. So it was a pleasure for me to be here with you. So thank you. So it seems that everything is clear. I wish you all a wonderful day. Bye bye.